Assalamu alaikum, hope that you all are well. In this video we are going to learn how to prepare 10% neutral buffered formalin, and here we see the protocol. This protocol is for 1000 ml of 10% neutral buffer formalin, but here I will prepare 500 ml of 10% neutral buffer formalin. That means all of the materials we have. I have take formaldehyde 50 ml, distilled water 450 ml, sodium dihydrogen phosphate monohydrate 2 gram and disodium hydrogen phosphate anhydrase 3.25 gram. Here you see I have take distilled water 450 ml and this is the formalin 50 ml and this is the 3.2 gram of disodium hydrogen phosphate anhydrase, that means Na2HPO4. And now finally this one is the 2 gram of sodium dihydrogen phosphate monohydrate, that means NaH2PO4 H2O. Now we will combine all of this reagent and distill water in a beaker. This one is the beaker. Taking 450 ml of distilled water into the beaker. And this one is the 50 ml of formaldehyde. Then 2 gram of sodium dihydrogen phosphate monohydrate. And finally 3.25 gram of disodium hydrogen phosphate anhydrase. Now it's time to mix it perfectly. Mix the solution. After mixing it perfectly, I have to measure the pH. The pH should be between 6.8 and 7.2. If the pH becomes 6.8 or 7.2, between this range, the solution is prepared. After mixing well, I have to measure the pH of the solution.